Welcome back to the Brothers Workshop.
What's up, guys?
Today we're gonna do one last mod to the truck before we hit the car show, because finally we have her working.
Headed out to Connellsville, Pennsylvania, to the old boot barn down there.
Like an hour and 20 minutes from home.
Yeah, it's quite the ways out there, but don't worry, it's sure to be a good adventure.
Old Don, we're going Don, Fayette County, down at Uniontown and that.
Yeah, right.
Well, you never heard some Pittsburghese?
Nah, these people probably haven't. We've got viewers from all over the world.
I guess. Sick.
Stay tuned, guys. Like, subscribe, helps us out, and we'll be sure to be getting you guys notified when new content like this drops. Yo, I know we're coming out here to go pick up this new mod for the truck, but you promised all these guys a car show. Are we actually hitting that up?
We're actually going to hit the car show today, but that's why we're going to do one last mod before the show starts. So.
One last mod.
Why? Because I like wearing my hat in my old truck, or I don't like wearing it and I have nowhere to put it. One of the two.
Family video? What?
Trying to run some DVDs,
Dude,
dog?
people are out here still renting DVDs.
That is sick.
Trying to see
That's sick.
trying to see Kong Skull Island on DVD? No.
Oh look, a Ford broken down.
Old Ruby Red.
Ruby's thirsty?
She's thirsty, so we're gonna get her a little drink up here.
Dang, Ruby's not cheap date, bro.
No, she is not. Funny story about Ruby. You guys know why we call the old girl Ruby?
Why do we call Ruby?
She's a Kansas truck. Bought her down in Fort Worth, Texas. Ooh. She's maroon.
Like a ruby. Like a ruby.
And old Dorothy, she came from...
Look at this thing.
Whoa, what is this?
What's on that? All the basic girls should be proud right now. I'm pretty sure there was a duck on there.
Was there a duck on there?
Or whatever the heck those girls take their pictures in.
I'll tell the Ruby story later.
There it is. There it is, up on the hill. The boot barn. Boot barn!
It's kind of disappointing that it's not an actual barn.
Did you really think it was gonna be a barn?
Yeah, it's kind of disappointing that it's not an actual barn.
It's not a barn, it's a store.
What a letdown.
Boot barn! Still at it with these things. Where are we going?
So, we've already picked up the stuff for Sean, and we're headed to a winery we found on the way out here, so let's have a good time.
That's a pretty house. Oh boy, it's packed.
MG for sale.
Don't hit the track.
Let it go up that way, or?
I don't know, figure it out. There's a spot right there, bro.
Yeah, just pull it.
up, dude? He doesn't seem like he's interested in me.
No?
I think it's the
No, now
mask.
he is. Look. He's like, hey, what's up?
What's up, dude? What do you have there?
Got some canned wine.
Hey, donkey. He looks like David. Does it look like me? Except for
It's almost identical.
this John Deere has power steering. So the tires are dry rotted. What makes you think the tires are dry rotted? Well, the fact that somebody put a couple of pennies in here. There's several pennies in there. Like there's 3 cents. Oh, you got up. Look at him chew. Why doesn't he have to wear a mask?
Yeah, why aren't you wearing a mask?
I do my thing.
No. No, you don't get the camera.
Go say goodbye to your friend again.
Yo.
Yo. God, $4.30. Not my governor.
Yo, what up, dude? Yo, I haven't seen wide open roads like this since Texas, but I got a feeling I know why.
Because you're paying $4.30 to go 3 miles?
We hang out with our arm out the window, press it up against the door to make it look a little bigger. That's the way you do it.
Dude, there's nobody here at the car show.
Oh yeah, we're talking about that. And there's a guy. Oh no, there's a guy in a truck behind us. Look.
That's right there.
Him and his boys want to go to the car show.
Where the show at?
Where's the show at, man?
Oh man, totally cool boots.
Glad I bought them today.
Hey, what are you doing? Well, I bought one of these. It's a hat rack so that I don't ruin my cowboy hat. We just have to move Bucky. We love Bucky. Well, Bucky's probably gonna go right here for now. Alright. So we're gonna attach this up here. And then you'll be able to pull it down. Put your hat up there. Good to go. Nothing to it but to do it, right?
Hey, Sean.
Whoa. What is that? Get that thing away from me. Alright. Where are we at? We got 52 divided by 2 equals
26.
no doubt. So we can find 26. Give it a little marky mark. And 26 is right there. Yeah, it looks pretty dang centered to me.
Hey, I got a question for you.
Yeah.
So, if you're putting this up there,
Mm-hmm.
what happens if somebody sits in the middle and you want to put your hat up there?
You wear your hat. Ooh. Yeah, they do.
That was loud.
It was really loud. But that was sick though, huh? Why am I such a hipster?
How many people do you think are going to be mad that you did that?
You know what? I really don't care because this is my truck and that is so sick. My name's Sean and I'm a hipster. And you know what hipsters love? We love our cowboy hats. Guess what? Now I have a place to put it when I don't want to wear it. Sick. What do you think? Was that stupid? I'm gonna just go now. Yes, it's pretty cool.